Welcome back to school, you spoiled brats. I'm your new teacher. We're gonna take attendance, but this time, I got a list of your names written down, so there's no surprises. First name is... Who wrote their name as 2 dots? It's pronounced Colin. Colin? Yeah, I know it stinks. Was Colin not available in your parents' vocabulary? What's a Colin? Shut your yapper, Colin. I'm asking the questions. The next name is... No way I'm reading this right. P-H-E-L-O-N. What's up, bro? I'm Felon. I was reading it right. I can't believe that's a real name. Parents wanted to name me Convict, but the judge wouldn't allow it. The judge should have made them convicts. Legit. Next name is Super Fast Jellyfish. Present. Tallulah does the hula from Hawaii? That is my real name, and I'm not from Hawaii. You're gonna need therapy more than I do. Next name is... Scribbled out. Who scribbled out their name? Me. My name's Voldemort. What?